He has continued to exemplify the values of excellence, perseverance, and service that we uphold. A university scholar and athlete during his college years, he graduated with a degree in criminology from the University of the Cordilleras. He is currently pursuing his Master of Science in Criminal Justice as an employees benefit scholar and has become a respected instructor and national lecturer in the field. He ranked 8 out of more than 30,000 examinees nationwide in the April 2023 Criminology Licensure Examination and has earned certifications in criminalistics and forensic photography. His passion for teaching and mentoring future criminologists is reflected in his many roles as a college instructor, internship and review coordinator, and even as a published author of a criminology textbook now used by students across the country. Indeed, his story reminds us that greatness can begin in the most familiar places, like the very classroom you're graduating from today. It is with great pride and joy that I introduce to you our distinguished speaker, Mr.